If you're into the smart home scene, you might have already heard about Matter, the new smart home standard which is said to revolutionize your smart home. The next generation of smart home protocol completely reshape society. Wait, no, that last part was a little exaggeration from our side. Either way, is this new smart home standard as good as everyone is putting it to be? And should it even matter for your smart home? Well, let's find out.
Looking for an animation studio that can turn your story or idea into animated visuals? Look no further than 10 Studio. Our team of experts creates animated explainer videos that simplify complex ideas and bring your message to life. Our experience can help you tell your story in a way that engages your target audience and makes them remember it. Don't miss out on this opportunity to stand out from your competition. Visit our website to know more at www.10.studio.
Matter uses a standardized approach to device communication that allows smart home devices to connect and communicate with each other using IP. This means that Matter-enabled devices can work seamlessly with each other regardless of the manufacturer or the communication protocol used by the device. But the same can be achieved with Home Assistant as it already interconnects your smart home devices. In some cases, it's easier to create home automation using a Home Assistant rather than Matter. One of the primary goals of the Matter smart home protocol is to address compatibility issues between different smart home devices. Sadly, Matter is still a relatively new protocol and not all devices currently on the market support it. Some older devices may also not be compatible with Matter as they were designed before the protocol was even developed. While this issue can be solved using firmware updates from the brands, not all manufacturers may choose to do so, particularly for older devices that may not have the necessary hardware to support the protocol. Initially, most smart home enthusiasts perceived Matter to be the next iteration of Zigbee, where the major smart home vendors such as Apple and Google will have an agreement to be compatible with each other within a single standard, the Matter. While this seems to happen on the surface level, each of the vendors tries to lock you in somewhere as you need to use the proprietary hub anyway. As an example, smart switches are supported by Matter, but a light switch with a status indicator that can be changed is not. With that being said, Matter does have some good stuff that we want to talk about. Local network, for example, is one of the perky features of Matter. As Matter works over IP and communicates between your device and controller, if the controller is local, the entire smart home network will also be local, which allows you to use the Matter-compatible features offline without needing an active network connection. If you forget about the need for hubs, Matter is still pretty amazing as it gives you a single controller to manage a variety of smart home ecosystems throughout your home. It doesn't matter, at least not for now, unless each of the smart home brands comes to an agreement to upgrade the device's firmware. These companies also need to enable their device to talk directly to Matter over Thread instead of a proprietary hub, which might take a really long time to happen. So, that was all about the Matter smart home. Thanks for watching. If you found this video to be helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and let us know your thoughts in the comment section down below. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon if you want to see more videos like this on your feed.